Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Spigen Glass TR Align Master tempered glass screen protector for Galaxy A23 5G. So you have seen the phone's unboxing video earlier, so now we will do the tempered glass installation. As always my friends, you can see this here, it is mentioned A23 5G 2899 rupees, but this we get for 899 or 900 rupees on Amazon. I will put the link in the description. So this product is specially for A23 5G and A23 both. It will support both, no problem in that. And why wait, let's open this up and install the tempered glass. So first of all, as always, I will say clean the desk totally, wash your hands, and then turn off air condition, a fan, anything it is running inside the room, and then follow my instruction for a perfect bubble-less, without any dust particles under the screen installation. So in the box we get the aligning tool. This is the aligning tool, as you can see here. So here it is mentioned which side is top and which side is bottom. We will check that out. So basically, yes, this is the bottom. Here you can see it is mentioned at Spigen, and this one is the top. So I think both sides are same. So in the box we do get these. So these are the cleaning wet wipes. So these are the wet wipes, cleaning wipes, and we do get two set of cloths. Everything is a number of 2. It's because we do get, this is a 2-pack version. So we do have 2 tempered glass inside this box. So I will not open this because this will attract dust. So we will keep the tempered glass safely on the side and keep this tray also on the side. First we will use this to clean our phone's display. Yes, it is brand new and it is out of the box, but still we will do the needful cleaning. So I'm using this box as a base to my phone. It's because I don't want to scratch the back of the phone. You can do the same. Just put this here. And also, since it dips a bit, so the phone will not move here and there. Okay. So this is the thing. And I do need a wet wiping cleaning cloth. We will keep the dust removal sticker, and we will get one cloth out of here. Okay, so we do get only one cloth, so it is not 2. My mistake. So we do get one cloth. Okay, let's start. So first of all, we will use the wet wipe properly. So it is out of the box, so we don't have any kind of dust on the display, but still I will follow the procedure for you. So we have done this, and if you are installing in an old phone, so it will take a bit time to do that because we need to clean it very properly. So we will use one side of it, circular motions. All the dusts will be out. Okay, everything is out here. So now we will use the dust removal sticker. This process is very easy because nowadays they are providing these kinds of big dust removal stickers which are really easy to use and remove the dust particles off the display. So as you can see here, so I've done this. So I think we have to do this one more time of the dust removal sticker thing, because after I install this and take the glass out of that box, so now we will carefully remove this, the tempered glass, out of the box. Okay, so check this out my friends. I don't want like any kind of dust particle. So you can see here we do have 2-pack version, that is 2 glasses. Okay, we do have 2 glasses, 1 and 2. So I will keep that here. I'll just put this here. This is the last step. So we do need to put the phone down now. So that is a risk that we have to take. Just keep it very carefully. Okay. Now we will install this. Here you can see it is mentioned at Spigen, and it will go down, and we will keep this just like this. Okay. As you can see, also if you want, if you can see that it is not going totally down, so you can also put it here, no problem. I was thinking that it will move totally to the down. So if it moves below the phone of this part, so you need to put it in the flat surface, no problem. So it is just an alignment guide, so it's fine. So we have done it, they have done this. Okay, so now what? So as I told you earlier, so before putting the tempered glass, I will go through with one more of swiping all this down, the dust removal sticker, because it helps in removing the dust and having a very clean installed tempered glasses. Because if you won't be this careful, then what will happen? While I drop this, I like this type of installation. It is very easy to do. But the thing is that if any part of dust, small particles are on the alignment kit, it will go under the tempered glass. So we have used it, that's why I'm using this as a... Now we will carefully remove the tempered glass out of this packaging. So as always I say, always remove it facing downwards. Okay, always remove it facing downwards. So we will remove the tempered glass facing downwards. Before that, we'll check for any dust particles. Yes, I can see a dust particle there. So we need to clean that out first. So this is the problem, my friends. If you take time, so dust will get attracted. So we are ready now. So we'll keep this here. Just remove it facing down, and don't remove any of the protector film, like the top one or bottom one. Now we will slowly slide this out and push this in this way and drop it like this. After that, we will just press it here and slide it out on the back. We will give it some time to move out, the air bubbles out. So it's been a few while, and now we will take this phone away from there, and now we'll put it on the floor on my table and use this guide to use it, squeeze out any of the air bubbles that we see here very carefully out of the phone's display areas. So we will always go from middle, from inside to outside, because it helps very easy of removal of the air bubbles. Always go from in to out. So you can see this, I'm doing that carefully, one by one in front of you in the video. Okay, so it will become a long video, so let me skip this part. So as you can see, I have removed all the bubbles out of the tempered glass, and I do have, if you are having a doubt that I have changed the glass or something, I will show you that I do have the spare tempered glass inside this packet. Okay, so that is the same tempered glass. So now we will remove this protective sticker out of here, the guide. Okay, now you can see the phone is working fine. Same, there is no difference in the touch, as you can see here. The touch is okay. If you want more sensitivity Then you can go inside the display. Here you can use the touch sensitivity, improvement of the touch sensitivity. But I don't think that is mandatory. It's not needed, because without this also the touch sensitivity is really good. I can say this. Okay. So that's all for this video about the Spigen temporal glass screen protector for Samsung Galaxy A23 5G. If you have any doubts about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will put the link about this product in the description. Do subscribe my channel and stay safe, my friends. Bye bye.